Here we have a Tina Spa. Hello, good afternoon. How are you? Woo. Right, it's Berg Brothers, a group here just at the front. I've featured this in family already. Have the Bali logo. Ilu Spa. Ilu Spa here. So we just show you in here. Big collection of sunglasses. That's for you ladies. Nice little set. No worries about changing your money here. There's the exchange rates on the boat. Hello, how are you? Lots of stuff in there. Good late afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around about 5:30 p.m. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Danau Tamblingan. So in a previous video that I made on the street of Jalan Danau Tamblingan, I walked from the Soya Japanese restaurant all the way through to the Icon Bali shopping mall. In today's video, I'm going to be picking up from where I left off, from the Icon Bali shopping mall, and I'm going to take you all the way down to where the street of Jalan Danau Tamblingan meets the street of Jalan Danau Toba and the Sindu night market. So as I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all of the hotel accommodation options, all of the restaurants, all of the shops, and just give you a general idea of what you can expect from this area here in Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a street stroll here in Sanur. Okay, so here's where I finished my last video at the Icon Bali shopping mall. This is the main entrance, a big grass dinosaur there, or artificial grass. This is the direction we come from before, heading towards the Soya Japanese restaurant, and then this is the direction we're going to be heading in today's video. So we have the Deco swastika across the street, a few tourists in there. The swastika guest house across the street there. Across and show you that one. We showed this in the last video, but we'll show it again. I featured this in the video, so I'll add the link in the description for you. Just up that entrance there. And Bali City and Motor here, so it's a car and motorbike rental. This and motorbikes, big collection of motorbikes. There's the telephone number if anyone wants to contact them for the prices. Bali Bay Sanur, Urban Haven Sanur. It's just up in the back there. We're going to put across onto the other side of the street now. We have Kajura's Villas and Suites. It's just in the back there. We also have the glass house as well. Oh, we have quite a few people inside of there. Oh, interesting tonight, live acoustic music. All the menus out here. It's the glass house, and we'll continue walking down the street. So Kajura's Suites there. Nice. I think that's a pretty nice accommodation, that, for anyone that's looking to be close to the prom, looking for a nice accommodation. Just across here, I've missed this one almost, we have Yulia 1 Homestay. I featured this in a video as well. I'll have the link in the description. It's just in the back there. How are you, brother? You good? And then just next door, if any of you want to use the ATM, this is where I suggest you use the ATM in Sanur. The only actual place, Permata Bank. That machine there. This is my own personal bank. Just keep walking down the street. So just on the left here, we have the Warung Little Bird. Already a few people in there, tourists. Little Bird. Business is closed there a little bit. A clothing shop here, linen wear. More on that side, we have White Lotus Spa. Oh, these massage 100k, I think it's down the side there. How are you, brother? Good. And then here we have a collection of new places. We have the Jungle Gold Barley Chocolate. Oh, we've got a group of tourists here. Indonesian here. There's a seating area inside as well. Have Safe Eye. Presume that's some kind of opticians or sunglasses. Asmara Spa and Wellness. And then just turning around, we have Made in Bali and Fit 24. Oh, the little cart going along the street there. We'll just wait and get across. I'll show you Ajanta Villas and Fit 24. So I've featured Ajanta Villas also in a video, so I'll have the link in the description for that for you. Fit 24. It's a gym facility there. Just show you the prices. Prices for the 1 month. Day pass is 50,000. There's all the contact details, and then I'll just take you up. So Ajanta Villas, it's just here, just down the side there. I'll have the link in the description for that place for you. There's a look back at the other side of the street. Jungle Bali chocolate, Made in Bali, all $399. So that's all clothing in there. Shirts, the family set there. Hello, how are you? Lots of stuff in there. Men's shirts, ladies' dresses, ladies' tops also. Very, very nice. All $399. It's all Made in Bali. A little side street here. Sure whether there's anything down there or not. Oh, we have this one. We have Over the Moon here. Happy hour. Buy one get one free. Oh, we're not going inside. There's a few customers inside, but we're not going inside today. We're walking a little bit into sun now. I'm going to cut across on the other side of the street. Yeah. Oh, a few tourists here, a few little businesses here. These are the kind of money changers I recommend you don't change your money at personally. We have Iris here. We have Burger Brothers. I've featured this in a video. Nice burgers for those of you that like burgers. Probably the best in Sanur, this one. There it is, Burger Brothers. We have a group here just at the front. I've featured this in a video. Just like the link in the description. Smash burger. Just down here we have Kubu Inda Homestay, Ocean Star. I'll just take you down and show you the places. So right next to Burger Brothers. So this is Kubu Inda Homestay here. Kubu Inda. Just through there. Room full. And then we have Ocean Star Apartment. I featured this in a video as well. Very nice place this. A long time ago I featured this. But very, very nice, beautiful place. Just goes down here. Ocean Star Service Apartment. And then you can walk down there to Sindu Beach. Okay, so just from Ocean Star and Kubu Inda, we have Iris here. It's a great place for glasses in here. How are you? You good? Can I just go to the door, yeah? So we just show you in here. Big collection of sunglasses, normal glasses, everything available in here. Just continuing on from Iris, the money changer that's closed there. We have Siang Silver Balinese jewellery here. Nice little jewellery shop there. Shops here. Not sure what this one's called. It's nice. A pool table in there. Very, very nice. Some kind of bar. Tina Beauty Salon and Spa. Hello, good afternoon, how are you? Do you have the Bali love? Woo! A Tina spa there. We have another massage across the street here. Let's just go and take you across. Just take a look at this. No girls outside here. Got lots of customers inside. Customers waving. Very, very nice. So that one is called Chameleon Spa. There's a spa across the street there. We have an iPod house. I think this is new. So there we go. iPod house. Just a couple of customers inside. Free eye exam for those of you that want an eye exam. Yes, we've got some people walking past on the street, just some few local little shops here. Discount 50% all item. Lots of tourist goods. Have a handbag shop here. Nice handbags, purses, things in there. Very, very nice. All tourist goods. Just across the street here we have a BMC money changer. So if you're in this area, this is the one I recommend to change at BMC. It's an authorised money changer. No worries about changing your money here. There's the exchange rates on the board today. Other currencies available on the board inside. So here's all of our tourist goods shops and things. I'm going to cut across so we're not on the sun. Lots of tourist goods and things in there. There's a little dog there. Hello. Lady just cleaning up. Hello, madam. Some nice little shops here. Men's shirts, football shirts, some nice t-shirts and things inside of there as well. Sunglasses. Hello, ladies. And here we have a Tina Spa. Hello, good afternoon. How are you? Woo! Is this one, yeah? Tina. There's some of the treatments available. Come and see this lovely lady here. Thank you. Nice little shops again, tourist goods shops here. Handbags, bags, lots of stuff going on there. Some hats and things. Oh, we have another spa here. Hello, how are you? Ilu Spa. Ilu Spa here. There's a lady just inside there having treatment. We have Akusara Tattoo Studio here. Some more shops across on the other side as well there. I'll just go across to this one. Actually, just before I go across, I want to show you this place, Rihanna Homestay. It's just in the back there. So just from Rihanna Homestay. I just want to go across and show this. It looks a nice shop over here. Wow, some nice stuff there. That's for you ladies. Nice little set there. Tan through swimwear. Some very nice stuff actually in the window as well there. More ladies' clothing and things here. We have Pina Colada here as well. We have Kahea Spa. And we'll start at Pina Colada and then we'll take in Kahea Spa. Some nice stuff in there. Some customers inside there. Wow, some nice little things there, decoration for the home. I love you all. Some nice lots it. Hello, Kahea Spa, how are you? You good? Have the Bali love. Have another lady inside there for ladies and gents. Hello, how are you? You good? Woo. So we're just walking along, or we'll have to cut back across. We have Kubu de Kalas, we have Bali Organic Pharmacy. So you can get pretty much anything from there, the Bali Organic Pharmacy. We have Kubu de Kalas here. I've featured this place in a video. Very, very nice homestay this. I'll add the link in the description. There's the rooms. all the way along there. So it's no vacancies, so it's full there at Kubu de Kalis. Here's a very nice homestay that, and a few tourists just walking up the street now. The Haya Spa, a few more little shops there across the street. We have Palung Spa here. Another one just in the back there. Hello? We've got a little warung here, warung lila. Just in the back there. Some tourists on the street here. And a few little shops and things across the street there. We're going to head back on that side anyway because there's nothing now on this side. We have a jewellery shop here. Little chains, necklaces, earrings. Ooh la la. Very, very nice decorative stuff there. Ah, very, very nice. Stuff inside there. Very nice. Nickel free. Oh, we have a, this is new. Smile. They've got this everywhere, literally. Start from only 15 minutes. Brand new that here in Sanur. So Smile. Summer sale, 20%. Girls just waving in there. Have here, this is a place called Yin Jewellery. This sells very, very nice jewellery in here. Lots of nice jewellery inside of there, 10 AM to 9 PM. And we're going to head just across the street now. We have Bellino Moda, a Kea shop, and also a money changer on the corner there. And Bellino Moda, it's just the clothing shop. Sanur leather tailor. This is a very good tailor. I've had stuff done myself there. So this is a Kea shop. Some of the stuff on there. We have Sujati handicrafts and goods as well. I'll just actually take you across there as well, but we have a money changer here. A little money changer in there. I think this is a legitimate one as well. There's the exchange rates on the board today. And we're going to just head back across the street. Okay, so next door we have Kadek Tattoo, which appears to be closed. We have Sujati Janji. This is a very nice shop for those of you that are looking for display bowls and plates and things like that nature. Many, many beautiful things in there. Nice bowls. What's a first barley? All the handbags and things in there. We have Warung Penkola across the street there. This is the street of Jalan Danau Tamblingan now. And then I said we're going to finish at the Sindu Sanur night market. There's Warung Penkola just on the side there. And then this is the Sindu Sanur traditional night market. Just take you down. I'm not going to feature any of the market, I shall just walk you down and just give you a view of it. I'm not actually even sure it's open as of yet. Oh, it is, it's already open, there's already families here. There's a Western family already. A few little shops and things in the way here as well, all around. And there's a Sindu night market. We just missed it from the Sindu night market there. We have the street of Jalan Pungutan. There's a few accommodations and things down that street there. We just missed it from the Sindu night market there. We have the street of Jalan Pungutan. There's a few accommodations and things down that street there.